Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power. Open the case and verify the case LED or percentage reads enough charge. If empty, charge for 10-15 minutes. Next, locate the physical button or touch area on each Tozo earbud. Different models use either. Once ready, press and hold the power button on one bud for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see an LED light or hear a voice prompt. This first action wakes the earbud. It prepares the device to pair or connect. Once the earbuds power on, you need to get them into pairing or sync mode. Make sure both earbuds are powered. Press and hold the button on the second bud if it stayed off. This ensures one becomes the master and both sync. Watch the LED. A flashing pattern generally indicates pairing mode, while a steady light means connection. Then open your phone's Bluetooth menu, scan, and choose the Tozo model name. If pairing fails, turn Bluetooth off and on, then try again. Finally, confirm the earbuds are working by playing a short audio clip. You should hear clear left and right channels and be able to adjust volume. If one bud doesn't power or connect, place both in the charging case and close it for 10 seconds to force a reboot, then try powering on again. If nothing happens, charge the case and earbuds for 30 minutes and perform the factory reset sequence for your Tozo model. This reset often fixes stubborn power or pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.